How to fix Albion Online FPS drop and stuttering 2025. So, if you're playing Albion Online PC and suffering from FPS drops or stuttering, there are a few options you can do other than the obvious upgrades of your device or equipment upgrades to help with your FPS. So, the first things you can do, maybe to make it at least playable or good enough, is to lower in game graphics settings. So, this option is pretty much effective for most games, and if you're dealing with FPS drops, so you can do it here in your launcher actually. So you should be able to find the settings here directly in the bottom left, and then from below general, the graphics. So you can change your quality to something much lower. You could custom it if you want as well, but if you want something more general, just go ahead and choose the normal, and then low if you want to. Of course, low will give you the highest FPS option since it will deal with less basic effects. But anyways, once you present that, just go ahead and apply. The other option you have is to disable background apps. So if you're using apps that are in the background and isn't really necessary, you could always go ahead and try turning them off to make your device focus on Albion Online more. You can also try switching to a high performance mode if your PC has that feature. These are usually found in the Windows settings and then in your power and battery. And then the power mode, you can put it on high performance again if you have that feature in your device. You can always try updating your GPU drivers as well, checking your storage and RAM. So if you have low storage, that can cause texture loading stutter. So make sure you have enough, like a minimum of 8 GB RAM. More recommended is 16 GB though, but make sure you do have enough. And those are most of the options you have for now to fix your stuttering or basically the FPS drops in Albion Online. So hopefully one of these options can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.